Rockwell B-1 Lancer. The Rockwell B-1 Lancer, B, is a supersonic variable sweep-wing, heavy bomber used by the United States Air Force. It has been nicknamed the Bone, from B-1. 2. It is one of three strategic bombers serving in the U.S. Air Force fleet along with the B-2 Spirit and the B-52 Stratofortress as of 2023. In April 2009, production of the F-22 fighter jet was officially terminated when Defense Secretary Robert Gates announced that the Pentagon would end the Lockheed-run F-22 program and increase the production of the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter. The last produced F-22 was delivered in 2012 and 183 F-22 aircraft are currently in service with the USAF. J.B. Charleston said in its statement that it is transferring incident command to the Marine Corps, as they will begin the recovery process. The incident is currently under investigation, so officials say they are unable to provide any additional details while the investigation is underway. Those in the community have been cautioned to avoid the area. Alert of a mishap went out Sunday afternoon. The unusual events took place Sunday north of Charleston, South Carolina, where a pilot from Marine Fighter Attack Training Squadron 501 ejected from their jet, specifically an F-35B Lightning II. In an earlier statement to NPR, the Marine Corps did not specify whether the jet's transponder was on, nor whether it was carrying any armaments. The pilot ejected safely and was transferred to a local medical center in stable condition, said Joint Base Charleston. In a message sent on Sunday around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, emergency teams started looking for the fighter jet on Sunday. They were aided by the Navy, the FAA, and Civil Air Patrol, along with multiple local and state police agencies, the base said in an update on Monday. The fighter jet came from a squadron whose mission is to train pilots and support crews on the F-35. It also took part in airshow demonstrations. The F-35B Lightning II has the ability to hover in the air and land in very small spaces compared to a traditional fighter jet. The missing plane comes from a squadron that trains pilots. It also takes part in airshow demonstrations.